Are you ready to see marketing success? Discover how Pit Boss Grills made $76,717 from a single email campaign. In 1999, Pit Boss Grills transformed from animal bedding to barbecue champions. Their unique wood pellet grills provide direct flame cooking, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. With ActiveCampaign, Pit Boss tackled marketing challenges head-on. They achieved a 7x increase in click-through rates and an impressive 32% open rate with community-driven emails. ActiveCampaign gave them invaluable insights for targeted communications, helping turn casual buyers into loyal fans. Join Pit Boss on the path to success. Start your free trial of ActiveCampaign today.